Oh, what have we here? Yeah, it's another Lakewood mini box fan in the square cabinet. This one's just the one step up from the S122X you saw in the last video, in terms of size. This here is a model S-14, and this is just plain S-14, not S-14X. The reason being is because, as you can see, it's got that stand on it. Yeah, this is my first Lakewood small box fan to have one of those stands. You know, with this you can put the fan like this, or completely like this, like this, or even this. Or position it straight forward. And I also currently have its big brother, the 1978 S223 that you've seen some videos ago. I plan to revisit that one tomorrow. But here's its little brother, this model S-14. As you can see, it's in that nice cream peach color. Get a view of one side. Other side. And we'll have a look at the back. Couldn't get that thing to say stable. And just like almost all my Lakewood small box fans or mini boxers, it's got the Fastco motor. And just like my K14X, it's got the motor's mounted on the two separate posts. And the date code on the motor is H79, meaning it was produced in August of 1979, which is the same date as that S122X that Lakewood has. I'll turn this back around, get a view of the top. And just like its big brother, the S223 over there, if you look, yeah, in the famous words of Lakewood, it's got the sparklies! Sparklies! Yay! Anyway, now we'll give an operation. Here's high. And it runs pretty much just like my K14X. Speeds run just about the same. Here's medium. Nope. Yeah, that's pretty much how the speeds are on my K14X. Back to high. And OFF spells off. It's got good coast down time and everything. And there you have it, my 1979 Lakewood Model S-14 with pivoting stand. And for my next video, look for a revisit of its big brother, the S-223. And then after that, I'll probably put all three of these vans together. This, the S-223, and their little brother, the S-122X. So, thank you for watching.